Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to make a subpage of another subpage in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So from here we just need to click on edit site, and it will automatically open in a new tab. So I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So from here we will open the pages and menu. And as you can see, I have different pages right here, and they also have subpages inside of them. So to make a subpage, you just need to drag that specific page, and then you will see that there is some arrow right here when you drag the specific page. So sometimes it doesn't do it automatically. So for example, I will add a blank page right here, go back here. Now that we have this page, we can drag it right here, and as you can see, it has that kind of arrow beside the home page. And then now the new page is now a subpage of the home page. But what if I want to make this about page as a subpage of the home page? So to do that, we can't really use the drag method right here. But what we can do is that we can click on the three dots right here, and then we can select subpage right here in the options. So click on it, and as you can see, it is now become a subpage, and the subpage of the about page is now inside of the home page. And then that is it. That is how we make a subpage of another subpage here in Wix. And then it is very useful since we can clean the look of our menu. So you can just do that so that we will have a minimal amount of options here in the menu, and then the user can just see the subpages when they hover their mouse over that specific page. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.